Stand at the monitor.
It's an AC, not a thermometer.
Okay, I'm a little ditzy. Just follow my thing dancing around the house. It'll always be your kids. You know what? I can really get used to like a camera crew. Like, this is why I need my own show. It's coconut and sandalwood. So good. Smell.
No, but I do love your house. I really rate it a 10 out of 10.
For real?
Like all the way around the board.
Why isn't my Alexa telling you to go to bed? Every day at 11 p.m. It's 11 p.m. Why this bitch ain't say it's time for bedtime?
It's time for bed.
Bitch, I have to manually do that. Stop. I'm like,
It's time for bed.
Now this bitch wanna do it? No. Go away. Cheers to the new home. Love you guys. Bye. Hi you guys, this is my house tour. Come in, slut. Already. You locked in. Okay, no further. Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna give you guys a halfway empty apartment house tour. Yeah, so you don't necessarily have to get the shoes, just like make sure I'm good, boo. Wait, is it on, does it have the green box?
Mm-mm.
Okay, you probably gotta put it like on autofocus. Does that have the green box?
Okay, yeah, there we go.
Okay. Hi sluts, welcome to my apartment halfway empty house tour. Child, I gotta take these off, but I'm gonna keep them on just for a cute second. This, I don't know, it's kind of locked. I'm gonna talk to the leasing office about that because that's a little bit strange. We have at the monitor. I barely know how to work it. I know a few numbers, but
That's an AC, not a thermometer.
okay, it's an AC, not a thermometer. I mean, the monitor. Okay, I'm a little ditzy in real life too, I guess. Yeah, good as, well, not good as new, but good as good. Come. This is our little hallway. We have an island. Yeah. I'm gonna put like some really cute bar stools right here. Wait, is it going down? Okay, so since it's on autofocus, you can use the joystick to go up and down. No, the joystick, the little thing.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay,
I forgot. On autofocus, it goes up and down. Yeah.
Okay, that's what I need.
Okay, bet. So this is our well, we have an island. So I'm gonna put like some cute bar stools. I think some at TJ Maxx, but I might find somewhere else. Maybe on Facebook Market. Who knows? Okay. This is our living room. As of for right now, we have a projector on the wall. I'm gonna get a TV soon. We just don't know when soon is soon, but soon. This is our dining room table. She kind of broke as we were moving, but she was already like a little bit broke. But ChatGPT told me to like I can design it in a cute way to make it look expensive. Although I think it was expensive, I didn't buy it, so I wouldn't know. This is our couch. We have a big couch because why not? I'm a big bitch. Oh, this. Let me stop. You guys, if y'all don't know, this is Finn Bear. This is your nephew. Isn't that right, Finn boy? Okay. Wait, should we show like a piece of the backyard first? Since we're right here. Yeah, come on. Okay, so this is our patio. She's pretty spacious. I'm trying to leave him out here because he would come outside so bad. Come in. What'd you see? Come on, don't play that. Get in here. Get in here. Okay. Make sure she's locked, child. I ain't trying to come and get us. I'm gonna check and make sure your pictures are uploaded. Oh, your pictures are almost uploaded. Okay. So, look me at Shabbat Tanya. Okay, so I'm always on the clock. Like, there's something about me. I'm always on the clock. Okay, so this is our kitchen. We have a one sink. We have a few dishes. We'll clean that whatever because I'm gonna have me some ice cream tonight for dinner. Skin clean. Well, it's not really skinny because it's like sugar, so irresponsible clean king. Pantry, snacks, we gotta get it together. I'm gonna go grocery shopping one of these days, and yeah. Cabinets and stuff. I'm not gonna lie, do you call it destructive or seamless? Like when you want, like, when you don't like things to show? What do you call that? We'll figure it out another time.
OCD.
Yeah, OCD. So I kind of put like my Wi-Fi in here because I don't want it to show. Otis, come here, Fendi. I'm sorry, I know if you kind of want to be seen a little bit. We have a Wi-Fi box in there and some screws and stuff like that. Our microwave and stove. Oh, we have an oven, so we're gonna be baking a lot. Yeah, I love to bake. Like I do love baking. I'm not gonna lie, but yeah. We have our, what do you call this? A board. It says house tour. So I want y'all to know y'all was first on my mind this morning. Well, y'all was first on my mind when I started. We have Alexa. We're not gonna say her too loud. I'm not gonna lie, Alexa, she told me to go to bed at 11 o'clock, so if we filming, we're gonna catch that. In like 9 minutes, she's gonna tell us to go to bed. We have a fridge. Just follow my thick ass around the house. So, we have a washer and dryer. Girl, thick ass shoot. We have a washer and dryer. We have our catwalk. I'm sorry, baby, did I scare you? Yeah. Let me show you the walk. No, you know what? In fashion model, you have to be uncomfortable when doing like a lot of runway shows anyways. So I gotta learn how to just go with the flow. You ready? Let's go. Now that was good. Let's put something junky. Yeah. Okay. Come down the hallway. Oh, I have to give y'all that house scent. That house scent, if I don't cook that scent, immaculate. Immaculate. As in, not only nothing. Have you been to Tanya's house? It's immaculate. She said Maldives, but I'm talking about Tanya's house. So this is our bathroom. We haven't decorated it yet, I haven't decorated it yet because I don't know what design I really want to do yet. But as of now, we have a gold monkey and our Chanel sign. So you can see we kind of go with silver, pink, and gold. So we're gonna see something might go, and we got green, but I always had that because I always had that. Then we have a trauma set pantry. I'm so like trying to miss the chair, but we're gonna show that because y'all can probably see that anyways. That bitch empty as fuck. Like Finny really love this room. So this is my closet room, where Finny and I closet room. We have, you know, our stuff in here, shoes, his outfits. Some laundry I need to do. Come, boo, come. We have the closet of the closet room. Now, I'm not gonna lie. I'm so ready to style this for y'all. This right here is a one of a kind piece, okay? This is Montclair, honey. Ah! It's so sexy. It's so sexy. And Finny have one as well. But his is black. Let me show you. This is Finny's. Let me get my top. This is Finny Montclair puffer coat. Yeah, those are my gym shoes in there and stuff like that. We have a lot. Y'all, look at this. Don't just give like condom or like latex like you finna go like on one of those sex parties. Let me stop, because Chloe's gonna be watching this. She gave it to me. Okay, let's go. Finny, let's go. Are you messing up my vision board, boy? It'll always be your kids. Okay, so this is our kingdom. This is our queendom. This is our room. We don't have a bed frame just yet, but we're working on it, but not really, child. It's not a priority because I still sleep great with and without. It can fit a bunch of us, a lot of my supporters on here, a lot of my subscribers and stuff. So if you guys want to have a slumber party or a pillow fight, yeah, just let me know and you're invited, boo. I see the Addy. What's so cute about this room, I'm not gonna lie, that sold me, my thick ass, was these 3 windows. Like, they're so cute, isn't it? So I was thinking about putting some big long drapes right here and right there, but it's kind of too much, but I'm too much anyway, so it kind of fits my aesthetic. Yeah. So this is our closet of the room. Thick ass shoes. So this is like our everyday type of closet. Like when we want to come and just like be chill around the house, or if we want to just run into like Target for groceries or the pet store for Fendi and underwear and socks and yada 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 yada. And then we have our uniform for work. She's a working queen. Yeah. Okay, come on, Fendi. Because we gotta do some more stuff. Oh, let's get the phone and see what time it is. Okay, Fendi, we have 5 minutes left. And I really want her to like stay because I think it's like so cute. Like, so cute. You know what? I can really get used to like a camera crew. Like, this is why I need my own show. Because I can just go off the top of my head about like pretty much anything. And yeah. So basically, also Dia got me this wine. Because Dia, I swear I don't like nothing that she gives me. Like, that bitch. But Dia, I want you to know I really love this. I haven't tried it yet, although you told me it's from the back. So, it's Pink Moscato, nigga. I keep a pillow with me just because I'm tired of niggas. I'm with some flawless girls. They pretty and they dead. Bust it open quick. Put this, I need to leave it up. Okay. And then we have this the wine that my apartment people gave me. She's like, I know you're not a drinker or what, but this is some really good wine. This is my friend girl stuff. Some paper towels. It's not discreet or just whatever the word is, child. I don't know. Oh, smell this candle I got. It's so good. I haven't lit it yet, but I want to light it like real soon. I don't know when. Oh, I have to get out the scent of the house. It's coconut and sandalwood. So good. Smell. What do you think? Because I told you on the phone, but you know, like you was like, I got you on the sandalwood. What do you think?
That smells good though.
That sounds good, yeah. Yeah. Okay, let me get out of the stand of the house. Can you scoot over for a second, boo? Scoot. You didn't man. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry, that was so rude on camera. So this lavender and hold on. Chamomile.
Chamomile.
Camel spit.
Chamomile.
Oh, chamomile.
Yeah.
So, okay, lavender and chamomile. So, why does it say up to 300 days of fragrance? Hold on. Oh, because it's 60 each or 30 each because one of them said up to 30 to 60 days. Okay. I was going to say the math thing. But yes, this smells really, really good. Like, this is my favorite scent. I've always loved this. And once I plug it in, it instantly hits the room. Changes the vibe. It's going to make you like, that bitch clean. I love it. But also, it's so crazy about like this home. Like, I've seen this home a million times before I like applied. Like, I seen this home back like 2-3 years ago on one of my vlogs. And I've been delusional about it. And then when I applied, I originally wasn't looking at this floor plan. I was originally looking at a 1-bedroom. But this one was cheaper than a 1-bedroom. So it was like, why not just get 2 birds in 1 stone? You feel me with it? Also, you know what's so crazy? But like other people, like they have like this OCD or like this little, I don't know what you call it, knick-knack about like sitting on the counter, feet on the couch. Girl, when you come here, you just get comfortable, boo. I don't got time for all that. You get comfortable because this is the home where you be comfortable, not judged. That's the difference for Tiny residents, Tiny residents. And also, I'm also obsessed. Also, it's just like what do you think about the house tour? Like, what do you think about the home? Let me be chill. What do you think about the house tour? What do you think about the home?
I really love it. I love that you have 2 bedrooms. I love the stainless steel appliances.
Just I got 2 bedrooms.
No, I do love how you got 2 bedrooms because I want 2 bedrooms now. I love the brown cabinet.
It's a vibe that everybody's going with. I love it.
I really want like 3, but hey.
She said, go home again.
Light bill.
Bitch, yeah. We won't do all that now. Hold on. I'm glad you said that. Girl, I'm glad you said that. Because, bitch, hold on. We might need to turn these off too and just use both of these lights over here. We can turn that one off because we ain't even know. I'm going to plug this charger because she ain't even plugged up for real. Okay. Y'all, I'm not going to lie. We got like 1 minute, maybe a few seconds for Alexa to be like, it's bedtime. Oh, I'm so excited. I just feel like it's like a small little flexing out of it. Because I don't really flex this much, but yeah. I need some gloss.
No, but I do love your house. I really rate it a 10 out of 10.
For real?
Like all the way around the board.
Thank you. I really appreciate it. What's so crazy? This is like. Why isn't my Alexa telling me to go to bed? And she's telling me she got her own bag? Why is she not telling me it's time to go to bed? Hold on. We have some technical difficulties. Where's the, hold on, I'm new here. Why is she not telling me to go to bed? Like, I don't like this. How do I, okay, create a reminder. Where is it? Okay, there we go. No, that's not it. That's not it. Okay, I'm still new here. No, you do not get 5 stars because you didn't tell me to go to bed. Maybe, is it a level 5? No, I'm like genuinely confused right now. This isn't me. This is such a shit show right now that this is embarrassing almost. Like, it makes me feel like, bitch, did you even got it for real? Like, now that you said, show me what you have, I don't care about what you have. And I'm trying to show y'all what I have. And this dumbass bitch not even telling me to go to bed. I don't like that. Hey Alexa, what happened to my bedtime?
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Oh, right. Okay. Y'all gonna have to come back for a vlog or something because she planned today. She knew what today was. Wait, was that? Did I only set it for that day? That's probably why. No, your routines exactly. Wait, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday at 5 a.m. No, Monday. Wait, announce bedtime. What time is this? Here we go, right here. Every day at 11 p.m. It's 11 p.m. Why this bitch ain't say it's time for bedtime? Hold on, how I play?
It's time for bed.
Bitch, I have to manually do that? No. We finna throw Alexa away because for one, she already act like she don't know my songs. Mind you, my songs aren't hard. My songs are everywhere in this world. Like, they're universal. Child, I'm like over everything. I'm not gonna lie. I'm like a little bit pissed off. But, okay. So you guys, y'all want some cake? It's still expired though, but y'all know what? I was at Target the other day. I think if you've seen that vlog, you know. I seen that they have like a cake holder. I cannot wait to get it because I'm gonna store my cake over there. I'm getting new cakes like probably like every week for like whenever I have like guests over. They have a slice of cake, cookie, or something sweet, and they have like something to drink and stuff. I'm gonna like
It's time for bed.
Now this bitch wanna do it. Oh what? Alexa, why are you showing out right now?
From hypebeast.com.
Alexa, stop. Turn it off. No. Throw away. But yeah, back to what I was saying. For my guests, I'm gonna have like a lot of stuff, y'all, because I want to be a great hostess. We having I almost had a house party. We having a house warming. I don't know. September, spring, fall. Sheree, when she was like, September, spring, fall.
More September for that is spring summer.
So what how's it gonna be do? September, spring, fall. Indeed. All I can offer you is some ice cream. This is salmon. So I can't have anybody come over right now, but we do have some sanity. Oh, I can make you a matcha. You want a matcha? Claire, did you matcha? You never had a matcha. Let me pop you a matcha cherry. Oh my god. You said no? Bitch. We're gonna get your
Mia
matcha.
said it tastes like grass.
That's how you have my matcha. When you have my matcha, Haley, Chloe, let them know my matcha is good. Wait, Chloe hasn't had my matcha yet, but I let her. She tasted this one matcha that she ordered us last week. Oh my gosh, from Tim Hortons. I'm not like for her first time, she did good because she surprised me because I was like craving a matcha. I was like, I want a matcha so bad. I want a matcha so bad. And she's like, I got your best. I'm like, what? Matcha on the way. I'm like, ah! And it was like so good. So she needs to send me that order so I can go and get it. And it was her first time ordering us matcha. And I was like so excited for that. Cheers to the new home. It's just Sunny D. Where is it? Then he wants something to drink too? Because you slobbing all over the house and stuff. What's going on? I'm not concerned. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching today's video. I'm always here if you need to watch another vlog. Same place, same time. Love you guys. Bye. Get out.